Hey guys, Jamie at the Summer Rain channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to make do-it-yourself massage bars. I am absolutely in love with these massage bars at the moment. Well, we all know that I'm in love with massages and anything to do with massages, so I thought I would make these massage bars. The cool thing about them is they actually melt on contact with the skin. So the way that we get that to happen is based on the oils and the butters that we use. It's kind of a lot of fun when you're formulating these and figuring out the right mix. I did put a full recipe down in the description box below. Also put a link to my blog where I go a little bit more in depth about all the ingredients, why we use them, everything like that. Since these do melt on contact with your skin, be careful as to where you store them, right? You really want to store them in like a cool location. Don't leave them out in the sun or like in a hot car or something like that, because they are going to definitely melt on you. If for some reason you find that the bars are like too soft, they're melting too quickly on you, what you can do is go ahead, add a bit more beeswax, take away a little bit of the carrier oil. Or if they're too hard, like you're trying to like get it to melt on your skin and it's not happening, remove some beeswax, add a bit more carrier oil, and you really can customize these bars relatively easily. For the bars, I went with sunflower oil. When you're choosing your carrier oil, you kind of want to go with something that's not going to absorb in right away, right? Because we want to extend the life of the massage. And then you want to be mindful of how the oil feels on your skin afterwards, right? So at the end of the massage, you don't want to be like super greasy or sticky or anything weird like that. Like if you were to use castor oil, you'd probably have like sticky skin or something. Just be mindful of the carrier oil that you use. Without further ado, let's dive in and learn how to make massage bars. And I kind of want to show you how the bar works. So I'm just going to rub it right here on the back of my hand. And I don't know how well you can see that, but I got quite a bit of the massage bar on my hand. Like I said, just holding it, it's going to start melting in your hand right away. And then it does take a bit to get it to massage in. Now you really have like a couple choices when you're using your massage bar. You can actually take it and like, you know, rub it on the back or whatever to get it to start melting, or you can rub it in your hands, get it to melt like that, and then use your hands to apply the massage bar. Whichever way you want to use it is completely fine. For our massage bar, we have beeswax, cocoa butter, sunflower oil, and Island Oasis fragrance oil. Go ahead and grab a heat-safe container, pop in your beeswax, put in your cocoa butter and your sunflower oil. And then we're going to go ahead and place this on a double boiler until it's completely melted. So I just went ahead and I pulled our melted oils off the double boiler. You want to make sure that you wipe the outside of the container so it doesn't have any water left over. And then go ahead and add your fragrance oil. And give it a really good mix. And then we're going to set this off to the side just for a second. And then you're just going to go ahead and pour it into your mold. Now I'm kind of going to fill these all the way up. You don't have to, because that is quite a bit of a massage bar, but I think it's fine. And then I want to try a few circle ones also. And then we're just going to let this cool completely before we unmold it. And then once your massage bars have cooled down all the way, you're just going to go ahead, whoop, and pop them out of the mold. Ah. And there are your finished massage bars. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making and using your massage bars as much as I did. Bye!